Naniniwala ka ba na hindi lahat ng mura ay sulit at din lahat kailangang mahal para makuha ang quality na pangmatagalan? Introducing our 17 by 18 by 30 na pure 14 gauge, available via single, double, dual, and triple design. Made for those who believe in quality, durability, and value for money. Aanhin mo ang sobrang mura lang kung ilang gamit lang sira na. Mas practical ang cage na matibay, maayos ang gawa at pangmatagalan. Dahil mahal ang paulit-ulit na pagpapalit, dito lang yan sa EK Handfeed. Sure na pure 14 gauge, makapal at quality. Open for wholesale and retail. Pwedeng-pwede rin kung may pet shop ka. Again mga kaibon, we also customize different sizes, gauges, and design. Mag-PM lang kayo, order yours now. Thank you for following us and for sharing this video.